Hi everyone, this is Karen from Flashtalking, and this video is an overview of the Creative Manager. The Creative Manager is the online platform that houses all of your ads and their creative assets for your campaign. To log into the Creative Manager, you can navigate to help.flashtalking.net, or you can find the login button on our flashtalking.com homepage here. Let's go ahead and navigate to that link. Here you will be prompted to enter your username and your password. If you do not have a login, please reach out to your Flashtalking representative and they'll be happy to provide you with one. Let's go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you will find the Creative Manager in blue on the right-hand column of the home menu. Let's go ahead and click this to see our Creative Library list. So once you're inside of the Creative Manager here, you will see all creative libraries that are tied to your account. Feel free to filter by name or ID in the search bar on the top right here. I'm going to go ahead and search for one of my test campaigns. So with every creative library, you'll see properties such as primary contact, and then also options to edit or delete your library on the last column here. I'm going to go ahead and double click into my test library. The view that you now see is all of the current ads in your campaign. So similar to the creative library list, you can find basic information about each ad in the columns. Here we see the ad's name, its 7-digit ad ID, and some properties like the dimensions and K-weight of the ads. In the last column, we'll find actions that allow us to preview the ad. So with this little eye icon here, you can then see a preview of a standard ad that I have inside of my creative library list. You can also modify every ad settings inside of the actions menu right here. If you click the ellipsis, you'll be able to delete the ad or also share the preview, and we'll also get into QA. All right, so if you wanted to upload a new ad into your library, you can click the Upload Ad Files button on the top right here. So this will allow you to navigate to where your creative files are located on your computer and upload those zips of your ad files. I covered the process of building a basic ad with the Flashtalking API in another video. In our case, we're going to go ahead and select one of our prepared zips and upload it into our library. So any assets with the same name that already exist on the Creative Manager will prompt you with the choice of overwriting or using the existing asset that already is uploaded. In our case, we'll go ahead and use our existing assets on the Creative Manager. All right, and over here you'll also see a notifications window that will let you know that the ad is currently uploading. Once it's done, it'll give you this little success prompt here, and you'll see that the most newly uploaded ad will float to the top of your creative library list. Everything is working as intended. Feel free to upload your updated ad files to continue testing in Creative Manager. If your ad is dynamic and requires a multitude of images or utilizes rich loads or additional assets like video, these assets can be uploaded and managed here under the Asset Manager. Just to clarify, Upload Ad Files creates ads inside of your library, whereas the Asset Manager allows you to upload things like images for use and reference in your ads. The Asset Manager works very similarly and allows you to select multiple assets from your desktop once you hit this Upload button here. Make sure to upload your files according to their purpose. So for example, images go into the images folder here, rich loads in here, and videos in this last button here. These are the essential functions of the Creative Manager from a developer or designer standpoint. If you have any questions or require additional resources, you can find a user guide in the Help section on the left-hand navigation of Creative Manager here. So under Help, you can feel free to search the documentation or also review some of the properties covered in this video. Alternatively, please feel free to reach out to the creative support team at us.studio@flashtalking.com if you have any questions.